Hi, beautiful people. So I wanted to share with you two tools that have I've had this epiphany recently that have just really revolutionized my food planning as well as my overall productivity. They're free tools, and ooh, I have hair in my mouth. Ooh, I have to
This is real, real and uncensored.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't think there's editing with these things.
Oh
Anyway,
well.
so this video will go out far and wide, I'm sure. Uh, Tools for food and overall productivity. And I wanted to share with you actually the productivity app first. So this morning at 8:30, let me pull this picture up. I received a text. I don't know if you can read it. It might be kind of grainy there. I received a text this morning at 8:30 that said, "Coach here, get off your behind and work out. Don't forget to eat clean. No excuses." If you were to get a text that this morning that said something like that, how would that affect your workouts and your eating that day?
As long as it wouldn't be the same thing every day and I would know what to expect, um, then it would be awesome.
It's funny. So there are like I have a couple things in my life that I've wanted to like really be consistent with outside of fitness. And one of them has been encouraging my husband and just kind of like sending him a little message every once in a while just to maintain a connection. So I set up, this is a little secret, shh, don't tell him. So I set up this reminder that with this app, it actually sends me a message on Thursdays at 11 a.m. and it just says, "Encourage Rodrigo now." And whenever I receive that message, I just send him a little text, a little message. And he doesn't know where it came from. It's like, what? Michael being so consistent. Um, so I wanted to share with you this app, and it's been really incredible. And I actually got the idea to use this for fitness because I'm learning Spanish right now from this app that sends me messages every day that says like, "Hey, you need to log in and do your Spanish work today." So it's just like a little reminder, like an extra little coach on my shoulder that says what I need to do. So the app is called IFTTT. And of course, there's an app on that you can get on your phone, and there's also a web page that you can go to, and it's IFTTT, and that stands for If This Then That.
Oh,
If this,
cool.
and it's this incredible website that allows you to link all of these different areas of communication in your life and cause them to respond to each other automatically. So, for example, I've also set it up so whenever I post on Facebook, it automatically tweets
Oh,
on Facebook. And there's a bunch of different recipes, they're called recipes, that you can either create yourself or you can actually download from the site, and everything is free. So the recipe that I created for this fitness reminder links my clock, my calendar clock, with my text message. So essentially, so what you do is, I'll just show you on the mobile app, since many of us will be using mobile app. You just click on the little, I don't know what that is. It's like a mortar and pedestal. Anyway, it's supposed to be recipes. And then you add plus, and it asks you if what, then what. So you click on the plus, if this, and you can scroll through all of these different applications. So I'm going to scroll through and find my clock. Hello. Oh, it's thinking. This is
Technology, yeah.
I tested this out yesterday and it was perfectly smooth.
of course. Because you're not on camera.
Exactly. I'm not on camera. Okay, this is it thinking. It usually happens immediately. So once that gets selected, that's the if this. Then I'm just gonna go back to the other screen. So then you select then that, and I link that to my SMS text message. And it'll lead you through a process where you enter your phone number and it sends you through like a verification code. So that way you can't just randomly send automatic text to anybody. It'll be a fun little prank. So of course they're all to yourself.
Right.
And you can set, oh, here it is. So here's the trigger. So here's the time. So you can select every day, every week, every day of the week, every month, every year. So I don't know if you have like birthdays in your life that you need to remember. This is a great way to do that. So I'm going to select every day. I have my plus, and then you set your time, and just whatever time is most meaningful to you. So like I did 8:30 a.m., but if you have a different time of day that is going to make more of an impact, then select that day, and then you can write the message. So whatever it is, so it does have the same message every day, but it would, but like it's an extra little kick in the pants. So respond better to gentle little nudges like have you worked out today, or have you eaten well today? And then other people respond better to kicks in the asses. So get your fat behind off that couch, put down the popcorn, and put down the candy bar and go.
Yeah.
So you can set that to whatever works best for you. But this idea of reminders, of just having that automatic reminder, has been huge for me. And I've noticed a difference in just my eating and my fitness, but as well as my relationship with Rodrigo, and and the way I've been able to tweet. So those been using it. And
Right.
it's a lot of functionality. So you feel free to explore that and see if that works for you. So that is our first app.
I like it.
Very cool.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
No, I would definitely use that.
How else would you use it in addition to fitness?
I think I would use it as far as like sometimes I have a certain appointment, or one of the girls, my daughters, has an appointment, and I always forget, oh yeah, they have this on this day. And then it will remind me like, oh yeah, duh, her bassoon lesson's always on Wednesday. Like I know that, but I always check in with her before she drives there because it's a little further from our house, and something like that, it would help me.
Yeah, it's so true. And at first I thought, well, I have a calendar app. I can set automatic reminders. Why wouldn't
Yeah, but I don't always get the alerts, or if I do, I don't hear them always. And like the text, I will see it,
Exactly. Yeah. And it's automatic and it's very easy. You can even set it up to call you. Like
Really?
to ring your phone and call you, and you can type in an automated message, and this little robot voice will come on and like read this message to you.
Cool.
Hmm.
I don't think I'd use that part, but the text I think would help me.
I know somebody who uses the call feature to actually wake up in the morning, like has an alarm clock. So like the phone is ringing, and she answers the phone, and then it says like, wake up, hope you are productive today. And it's like, oh, there's somebody talking to me.
I am your robot mother.
Exactly. So yeah, explore that, and let me know how it works for you. I'm curious to know.